Plants. Classification is a method of organizing species into groups. The modern system of classification can be complex and includes 8 levels. This modern system began the work of Carolus Linnaeus in 1735. Linnaeus based his classification on species solely on shared characteristics. For this presentation, we are going to use Linnaeus's approach and classify organisms using visible characteristics. So what do we have here? At the very top, we have all of life. The next category would be domain, then kingdom, each one getting smaller and more specific, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species, and then under here would be your organisms that belong to that species. Most large organisms are either plants or animals. The distinction between the plant and animal kingdoms is based primarily on the sources of nutrition and the capability of movement. Plants are multicellular photosynthetic organisms. Members of the Plantae kingdom are further grouped based on how they carry water, vascular and non-vascular. All plants are autotrophs, meaning they make their own food. Plants are very diverse in their structure. The term monocotyledon and dicotyledon refer to the first leaves that appear on the embryo of the plant, the cotyledon. So over on the left here, we have a monocotyledon that has 1 cotyledon. A dicotyledon has 2 cotyledons, 2 here and 1 up here. Examples of monocotyledons. We have orchids, over here, lilies, bamboo, palms, and grasses. Examples of dicotyledons. Fruit trees, grapevines, magnolia tree, and a pumpkin patch. Here's where you can tell a difference between monocotyledons and dicotyledons. The monocotyledon seed has a seed coat, okay, just like the dicotyledon. They both have an endosperm, right, that's over here. However, the monocotyledon only has 1 cotyledon right here. The dicotyledon has 2, and they both have an embryo. Monocotyledons have parallel leaf veins. And that's, you can't really see with the green here, but they're all going in a straight line. They're all parallel. Dicotyledons have branched leaf veins. Right? They have this main line going down, and they have veins shooting out from either side. The vascular tissue, which transports water and nutrients up the stem of the plant, has different arrangements in monocotyledons and dicotyledons. The monocotyledons have bundles in complex arrangements. Got all these different bundles here, all spread out. Dicotyledons have vascular bundles in a ring. And here they are, right around the ring there, and they're all bunched together. The floral petals on each plant differ in total number. Monocotyledons have petals in multiples of 3, while dicotyledons have petals in multiples of 4 or 5. So for the monocotyledon, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a multiple of 3. Dicotyledons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, that's a multiple of 5 there. Monocotyledons have a fibrous root system, while dicotyledons typically have 1 taproot. So here's our fibrous roots here. And here, right there, is the taproot.